Let's study the topic Polygon law of vector addition. What is this Polygon law? Before this we studied triangle law, we studied parallelogram law, now it is Polygon law. Okay, Polygon law, it means it can be more than 3 vectors, more than 4 vectors, 5 vectors, or any number of vectors. It can be added by Polygon law. Any number of vectors. Suppose we take 5 vectors. Suppose we take 5. Another vector should be initiated from this point. This is one another. This is one another. This is the next. This is the next. Okay. Then what will be the resultant of this? The resultant will be the closing. Okay, closing side of the polygon. This complete this polygon at first. This is the closing side. Okay, and this closing side will have order opposite to the previous sides. Okay, previous side has this order. It is moving in this way, in this fashion, so it will move in this fashion. Okay, opposite, this will have this fashion. Okay, this is, it is moving in this way, in this way, in this way, in this way, and this will be the resultant. Okay, both in magnitude as well as in direction. Okay, suppose let us take one example. There is one example. If it is given, suppose this is north, this is called east, and this is called west, this direction is called as south. Okay, suppose a person goes this way, let it be 12 kilometers. Okay, 12 kilometers east, and then he goes suppose 5 kilometers towards north, and then goes, let it be in this way. Okay, which is perpendicular to this line joining. This where is set 6 km. Okay, then how will we find the resultant? Let us see here. We will utilize polygon law. This is one vector, this is another vector, this is another vector. 3 vectors are all okay. Join this. This will be the resultant. Okay, in opposite fashion. This is all anti-clockwise. This is clockwise fashion. Okay, the resultant is clockwise fashion. And so here at first we will find this one will be the resultant of this one will be the resultant of these two. Okay, 12 and this is 5 by Pythagoras theorem, it will be 13 km, no doubts. Okay, we all know. And is one triangle. To find this one, so let it be O, this let it be P. To find OP, the resultant, what we will do, this one is 13, this one is 6, and utilize Pythagoras theorem here. What will be this? OP square equals to 13 square plus 6 square. Then OP will be equal to under root 13 square plus 6 square, and the value will be under root 69 plus 3 plus 36. It will be 205. So under root 205, it will be approximately, I think, 14 point something. Okay, so it will be 14 point something, anything. Okay, 14 point something will be the resultant factor. Okay, and the direction is this. Okay, magnitude will be 14 point something. Okay, and to find the direction, it will be this direction. You can find this angle theta. Okay, which is simply mathematics and nothing else. Here the polygon law suggests that for any given vector, suppose this vector is given, these 3 vectors are randomly given, and we have to find the resultant vector. What is the resultant vector of these 3 given vectors? These 3 random vectors. These 3, we have to arrange this in a fashion, in a manner. Okay, this is the first vector, and this vector will be placed here. Okay, and this vector will be placed here. Remember, their directions are kept similar here. Okay, join this one. This will be the resultant. Okay, this will be the resultant of these 3 vectors, these 3 random vectors. This will be the resultant in opposite fashion. Okay, this is going in this way, and the resultant will not be in this way. It will be in this way, in opposite fashion. Any 3 vectors, 4 vectors, 5 vectors, any number of vectors are given, we will find the resultant by polygon law of vectors. Okay, simply we make a polygon. Okay, and close it. The closing will be the resultant. Okay, thank you.